Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to be installing the Better HUD for Oblivion Remastered. This is a mod that offers to just clean the HUD up and make it look a little bit better. I'm not sure if I can get a good view of it here in the pictures without maximizing my browser view, but it improves the HUD, and it's pretty easy to install. So all we got to do is we're going to use the Vortex Manager. Go to Files. We can use the Mod Manager download for this. And you have some options for how big you want the HUD to be. The default size is 16:9 aspect ratio. It also has 16:10, or the slim 16:9. I would recommend sticking with the regular default or the slim, just because most people who are running modern monitors out there are running a 16:9 aspect ratio. If you know for a fact that you have a different aspect ratio, by all means, download the appropriate version for you. So we're going to be using the Vortex Mod Manager. If you don't have it yet, download it from this link that I'll provide in the video description below. It is the Nexus Mod's very own mod manager that works great for a lot of games for installing different mods. The ones for Oblivion Remastered are kind of disjointed. Some of them require a mod manager, some of them require you to do it manually. But in this case, we're going to be using Vortex. Once you have Vortex downloaded, you should see a window that looks a lot like this, where you've got like your dashboard and everything. Go ahead and log into it at the top left corner, or the right corner, I should say. And then over on the left-hand side, we're going to go to Games, and we're going to tell it to manage Oblivion Remastered by just typing in Oblivion, and then telling it to manage Oblivion Remastered. Not the original, although it works fine for the original. And then that will automatically install whatever plugins you need in order for it to talk to Oblivion Remastered and then manage the mods that you're going to download. From here, I'm going to go back to the Better HUD page, and I'm going to go to the files. I'm just going to download the regular Better HUD default by using the Mod Manager download. I hit slow download, and I'm going to tell it, yes, go ahead and open up Vortex Mod Manager and send the download there. From there, it'll go pretty quick. It'll show you up here at the top of this list of stuff you've downloaded or are currently downloading that it's downloaded. And then here, it'll automatically install it inside of the mods for Oblivion Remastered. So here it is. And this basically means that I'm good to go. If you're not familiar with the Nexus mod manager for Vortex, this thing will automatically look for updates for your mods, which is why it's really nice to have. And if this required any other supporting mods, it would also recommend that you either manually install them or install them automatically using Vortex. So that's it. Now I can just go ahead and I can launch Oblivion. So yeah, you got kind of like a cleaned up, simplified HUD that isn't so messy. So it's, yeah, I like it. So anyway, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how to install the Better HUD for Oblivion Remastered. If you want to disable this for any reason, once you're done installing it, it's pretty easy. You can just disable it right here with this little pull down inside the mods tab here. If you need to like troubleshoot which one of the mods might be breaking things, that's how you kind of disable or re-enable them at any time. Or you can just straight up remove them and their associated archive, which is kind of like their installer. You can remove them all together all at once and then install other mods if you'd like. So yeah, I definitely recommend Vortex Mod Manager. It's just really nice to have for a lot of different mods. And yeah, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.